Las Vegas is filled with motorcycle enthusiasts who use their bikes as their major form of transportation. However, many motorcyclists do not feel safe on Las Vegas roadways due to their increased risk of getting involved in an accident. The Nevada Department of Motor Vehicles explains how motorists may misjudge the distance and speed of a motorcycle due to their smaller size. A motorcycle accident and the injuries it may cause, including traumatic brain injury, broken bones, or even death, may be prevented. You can become more aware of the presence of motorcycles by paying close attention to their blind spots. When switching lanes, use extreme caution to ensure there are no motorcycles hiding between vehicles. Distracted driving should be avoided at all costs. At the law offices of Robert M. Apple and Associates, we understand how devastating a motorcycle accident can be. Call us at 702-646-0085 for essential legal counsel and help through the legal process during this hard time.